This video demonstrates how to install an EasyFlow telescopic P-trap. Firstly, remove the outlet nut and place over the waste pipe, followed by the plastic washer and the conical rubber washer, ensuring the chamfered edge faces the trap outlet. Place the trap outlet over the pipe and align the outlet nut to the thread and hand tighten clockwise. At this point, loosen the locking nut and swivel the upright of the trap into position. Now to fix the trap to the waist, loosen the locking nut. The adjustment tube can then be set to the desired height. Once at the correct level, connect the BSP nut to the waist. And remember to retighten the locking nut. For a 1 spigot or 2 spigot appliance trap, take the appliance nozzle and place locking nut over the nozzle. Align the locking nut to thread and tighten into the desired position. Push the appliance hose firmly onto the appliance nozzle and use a Jubilee clip to secure. For the universal version, use the 42mm to 32mm plastic adapter and tighten to the waist prior to installation. Repeat the previous steps. However, for this installation, remove the conical rubber washer and instead use the larger rubber adapter.